with us we'll learn today. So fun in every way. B-I-S-O-U-S. Chef Bisous.
Hi mini chefs, I'm Chef Bisous. Welcome back to our magical kitchen. Today we're embarking on a prehistoric adventure to create dinosaur-themed chocolate pudding cups and uncover the fascinating world of dinosaurs. Magic Micro, what do we need for today's recipe? We'll need chocolate pudding, chocolate chip cookies, white chocolate chips, coconut flakes, and green food coloring. We'll also need a reusable plastic bag, a spoon, and glass jars. There goes our safety chime. A friendly reminder from Magic Micro that safety in the kitchen is so important. Please make sure you have an adult with you when crafting our yummy creations. Like always, we'll need to wash our hands before we handle the food. Let's head to the sink to sing our hand-washing song.
Turn on the tap, let's start the flow. Splishy, splashy water, ready, set, go. Squirt out some soap, just a little bit. Rub your hands together, make some bubbles with it. Scrub-a-dub-dub, it's our hand-washing song. Healthy and clean all day long. Now dry those hands.
Ready to dig into the world of dinosaurs? There are so many different types of dinosaurs. They come in all different shapes and sizes. Wow, look at these different dinosaurs. Some were really tall with long necks, while others were small with sharp teeth. Some only ate plants, some only ate meat, and some of them ate both plants and meat. Have you met a real dinosaur before? Neither have I. And that's because dinosaurs lived a very, very long time ago. And even though dinosaurs are no longer around, we still know a lot about them because of their fossils. Fossils are clues from the past buried deep in the ground. Clues that form a puzzle for scientists to put together. Those scientists are called paleontologists, and they dig through different layers of the ground like grass, rock, and mud to find the fossils. Today, we're going to make chocolate pudding cups. We're going to use different ingredients to represent the different layers of the ground that paleontologists have to dig through to find dinosaur fossils. Let's start really deep down in the ground and work our way back up to the top. The deeper you go, the older the fossils are. Magic Micro, what's our first layer? A rocky layer. Wow, look at those fossils buried deep in the ground with those rocks. Oh, that one has 2 large horns on its head and 1 horn on its nose. I wonder what dinosaur that is. A triceratops. By studying the dinosaur bones, paleontologists help us imagine what the triceratops might have looked like a long, long time ago. Like this triceratops here. How cool! Oh, and what about this one? It has big sharp teeth, short arms, and a really loud roar. I think I know this one. It's the most famous dinosaur of them all, a Tyrannosaurus Rex, or T-Rex. Roar! My favorite dinosaur! Time to begin our fun recipe. First, we'll make a special layer that looks like rocks. This is where we found our very first dinosaur bones. We'll use crushed cookies to do it. Let's grab chocolate chip cookies and crunch them in our hands. I know, we can pretend our hands are a T-Rex's strong teeth chomping up the cookies. Okay. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Now we can put those crumbs into our jars. Grab your white chocolate chips. We are going to pretend these white chocolate chips are our dinosaur fossils. Let's mix them in. Here's our pretend Triceratops fossils and our mighty T-Rex. Magic Micro, what comes next? Our muddy rocky layer. I wonder what these dinosaurs are. This one has a long backward curving crest on its head, and it looks like it could have walked on 2 or 4 of its legs. It's a Parasaurolophus. Paleontologists say the long backward curving crest on its head could have been used to make loud trumpet-like sounds. Neat. What else do we see? This one has pointy plates on its back and a long spiky tail. Do you know what it is? It's a Stegosaurus. I love Stegosauruses. Their tails help protect them from the other dinosaurs. Okay, grab a spoon and let's scoop some chocolate pudding into our jars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's put a few more cookie crumbs for rocks into the mud. Sprinkle, sprinkle! We should grab some more white chocolate chips for these fossils. In you go, Parasaurolophus. You too, Stegosaurus. You can use your spoon to gently mix it around. Okay, I think we have room for one more layer in our pudding cups. Magic Micro, what's our last layer? Another thinner, muddy layer, but this layer has grass on top. And look, I see more fossils here. This one has sharp claws and teeth, and it kind of looks like a small Tyrannosaurus Rex. Do you know what dinosaur it is? Yes, it's a Velociraptor! We know from paleontologists that velociraptors were very smart and fast runners. They could chase down many other dinosaurs with their strong legs. There's one more dinosaur I see here. It has an extra long neck. It's a Brachiosaurus. Brachiosauruses were so tall. They used their big long neck to reach their food high up in the trees, like a giraffe does today. Let's put one more spoonful of chocolate pudding into our jars. This time, I'm gonna add some more chocolate chips again. 1, 2, 1, 2. In you go, Velociraptor. You too, Brachiosaurus. What about our grass layer on top? We can use our coconut flakes for grass. Wait, they're white. Grass isn't white, it's green. Let's put our coconut flakes into our reusable plastic bag and then add a few drops of green food coloring. Time to give it a good shake. Ta-da! Green grass. Let's put it into our jars. Wow, look at how great these look. Sous Chef Encore's here. I can't wait to tell him about what we've made today.
Hi, Chef Bisous.
Hi, Sous Chef Encore.
That looks delicious. What is it?
My mini chefs and I have been learning about dinosaurs and their fossils today. you can see that we've used chocolate pudding, cookies, and coconut for the different layers.
Do I see white chocolate chips in there too?
You sure do. Those white chocolate chips represent the fossils of the dinosaurs.
Eating those yummy pudding cups and digging for those fossils sounds fun and delicious. Dinosaurs are so cool! I feel like singing about them. Will you sing a song about dinosaurs with me, Chef Bisous?
Absolutely.
Magic Micro, work your magic! Sing and dance along if you know this song.
Long ago before you and me, creatures roam the earth wild and free. Buried deep in the ground, their fossils can be found. Mysteries underneath our feet. Triceratops, horns of 3. Brachiosaurus, tall as a tree. Eating plants night and day in the forest where they played. These dinos were called herbivores. Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, stomp your feet. Herbivores, dinosaurs, dinosaurs, stomp your feet. Herbivores, let me hear you roar. Tyrannosaurus Rex, big sharp bite. Velociraptor, quick to strike. Hunting meat night and day, sneaking up on their prey. These dinos were called carnivores. Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, stomp your feet. Carnivores, dinosaurs, dinosaurs, stomp your feet. Carnivores, let me hear you roar. Some dinos only ate plants, some dinos only ate meat. The dinos that ate them both were called omnivores. Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, stomp your feet. Herbivores, dinosaurs, dinosaurs, stomp your feet. Carnivores, oh, dinosaurs, dinosaurs, stomp your feet. Omnivores, dinosaurs, dinosaurs, in our hearts forevermore. Let me hear you roar.
That was so much fun. Learning about dinosaurs made me even more excited to eat our pudding cups. Magic Micro, can you please send me back to the kitchen with Sous Chef Encore?
Whoa! Thanks, Magic Micro.
As always, we should tidy up before we dig in. Sous Chef Encore, would you like to help me?
Definitely, Chef Bisous.
Tidy, 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 everyone should clean. Tidy, 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 part of the routine. Tidy, 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 put your things away. Tidy, 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 for another day.
Thank you for joining me today to learn about dinosaurs and their fossils while we made these delicious chocolate cookie pudding cups. Remember, every dish deserves a chef's kiss.
Hey, look, I found a Brachiosaurus.
Bye, mini chefs. Can't wait to learn and cook with you again.
Chef